Namaste, I am your Amarnath Guruji. This 2025 has been got so many distractions, disasters in the world. Why this happening? What is the reason? You wanted to know, right? Actually, we should not tell these things are going to happen, and then we should not make the people get feared about this. But this time, there is a demand for the people to know about this, okay? Because this is 50% only. After this, it is going to be worse. Why? Because the year is ruled by the planet Mars. The Mars will be in red color and he will like to see more red. The places where his focus will be in a negative role. The places where his focus will be in a positive role, they will become super good, like that. Especially the people who are born on 9th, 18th, 27th, like this. Because the planet itself is a powerful planet. The planet itself is a, the people who are born in these numbers, they will be definitely having in a military or in a services, any kind of services they'll be there. That is the main reason this year is most powerful year. For that, I will give you small 3 mantras where it will save you from these disasters. The mantra, first mantra is Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha, and second mantra is Om Ganam Ganapati Om Namaha Shiva Mahadevaya Namaha, and the third mantra is Angarakaya Vidmahe Shakti Hastaya Dhimahi Tanno Bhauma Prachodayat. These 3 mantras has to be chanted one by one every single day for 108 times. You try this and let me know in the comments what the changes you have felt in your life. For this, you have to go to my YouTube channel, and then you can get the full mantras recorded. You can chant together with me. Okay? Thank you very much. Namaste.